Welcome to Tech Fix Everything channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the replace drum error message on the Brother MFC-L2701DW printer. After replacing the drum unit or drum, you must reset drum by following these steps. Open the front cover as shown in the video. Press and hold the OK button until the screen displays replace drum. 1. Yes. 2. No. Then release the button. Press 1 on the keypad. When you see accepted on the screen, it means the drum reset is successful. After resetting, print a report page to keep track of the drum and toner usage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Now, I will print the printer settings report. Follow these steps. Press the menu button. Use the up or down arrow keys to navigate to 5. Print reports, then press OK. Use the up or down arrow keys to find 4. Print settings, then press OK. The printer will print a report page containing information about the toner, cartridge, drum unit, and printer counter. This is the printer settings page printed before I reset the drum, and this is the page after I completed the drum reset. The current printer counter is 119032.